That is very good. That is really going to resonate, that first sentence.
Yo, how long would it take you to sell an advanced Python training program to software engineers? I want to take you behind the scenes to one of my coaching students using VSL.ai for the first time. You got to see what happens. This tool is revolutionary.
Here we go. Okay, powerful Python. Okay. Now I'm just going to come in here and copy a lot of this text here. Create new products. I'm just going to tell VSL.ai a little bit about your products in the most brain dead simple way we could do it. And we're going to hit next step. Let's see what happens here. Avatar is a software engineer or data scientist who's already familiar with the Python basics and looking to take their skills to the next level. Is that it?
This all looks good so far, what it's generating.
Okay. Their goal is to become a Python expert programmer known for their ability to write clean, efficient, scalable code. Right? They feel stuck at an intermediate level and are struggling to understand and implement advanced Python concepts. This tool promises Powerful Python promises to provide clear explanations and practical examples of advanced Python concepts, helping them become expert programmers. Bro, if it can fucking sell Python advanced training, shit. Their ultimate fear is that they will remain stuck at their current level, unable to progress in their career or achieve their goals. Aaron, how long did it take you to figure out all this stuff?
It took me a lot longer than that.
We're still trying to figure it out on the calls during the week. I'm like, but what do they want? They don't want money. What do they want? Looks like they want this.
Looks like they want this, right? There are mistaken beliefs. They might believe that advanced Python concepts are too complex to understand, or they don't need to learn them to be a successful programmer. All right, here we go. So here's the magic tool, guys. Anyway, that's fucking crazy. Always shocked when it does it. So we have two features over here, right? So we have 20 scripts that have all done 8 figures in sales. 20 scripts. We estimate how many sales each script did right here. It costs about 1 credit per script to write them. Or we have a 3.5 function, which only costs 0.1 credit per script. So that enables you to get like a little demo. So let's just click number 1, genius invention. You really just have to play around with this to test to see how things kind of go. So we're going to do that. And we're going to click write a first draft, and we're going to click create. How to master advanced Python, even if you don't have formal computer science degree. This only takes a few hours a week. Feeling stuck and tired at intermediate level in Python. This genius way to master advanced Python concepts and write efficient, scalable code has taken the programming world by storm. A seasoned software engineer just disrupted the traditional learning industry by creating a resource that can turn any intermediate Python programmer into an expert. The engineer created powerful Python, and after witnessing many of his colleagues struggle to progress beyond intermediate level, they were stuck, unable to write effective code or solve complexes, and their career growth was stagnating. With years of experience in software development and deep understanding of Python, the engineer designed powerful Python to provide clear explanations and practical examples. He introduced a unique learning approach that focuses on understanding the underlying principles of Python and applying them to real-world scenarios. The results were incredible. Programmers who used powerful Python reported significant improvement on their coding skills, problem-solving abilities, and confidence. They also started acing their Python interviews, receiving recognition for their expertise and work. I mean, bro.
Yeah, this is so good. I feel like you just turn it on, go to the bathroom, come back, and it would be ready.
Bro. What do you think? Would you test this?
This is really good. I think the lead needs a little bit of work, but most of it is really, really good.
So this lead came from a banger, dog. It came straight from a 10 million.
Okay.
But it's just a test right here. So another thing, you can just start updating the lead right now, right? You can just. So it just gives you an immediate fucking push button. Let me copy this and paste it. I can save it as a draft, create killer second draft. You can also create a better second draft, which this is still in beta mode, but it'll ask you a bunch of questions about this specifically that it wants to know, like what specific advanced concepts does it cover? What practical examples? So it'll ask you all these questions. Like, so if you spend a good 20 minutes, like fucking answering this, It'll be smarter on all its next VSLs.
That is very exciting. Because I think that can really allow it to really improve the quality very quickly.
Yeah, for sure. Because right now we're just coming off of what we pasted on your website.
Mhm.
Right. So this will make it much more specific. And yeah, there you go. But this is still kind of beta. So we're not totally, because like you have to literally spend like a good 20 minutes answering all these questions. And we know most of our people just want to have it done now. But this is a big part of it. So let me paste in a script, but also, oh, it's too long. How do I send this to you? I'll just create it. Let me just paste in one right here. I'll send it to you.
Cool. Thank you very much.
All right, but let's try another one. Which one do you want it to be? Big fat ripoff. I mean, I'm just dirty secrets. Let's try dirty secrets.
Let's do that one.
Oh, I might have broke it because there might be a bug there because that's what happened on the next step. Truth hurts. Dirty secrets. Let's go. Try it. Oh, wait, we broke it. That other thing broke it. But it's okay because it's right here. Click next step. All your AI brain is still here. So we go back and we click dirty secrets. Great drafts. Did you know 70% of software engineers and data?
That is very good. That is really going to resonate. That first sentence.
He just fired off. These talented individuals are struggling to understand advanced Python concepts. Is it any wonder that feeling of frustration and stagnant are on a rise among Python programmers? The root cause of the problem lies in a lack of clear, practical resources that can take them from intermediate to expert. So if you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed on Python concepts, or struggling to learn, it's time to try Powerful Python. Click through to read the rave reviews about Python, how Powerful Python has transformed the careers of countless programmers. I mean, dude, right?
This is even better than the last one. I think this, that's why, what you said before, you have several different, I don't know the terminology, templates there in the selection bar, but this one seems like an even better fit for its first pass is really impressive.
Bam. Bam. Yeah. So like now imagine, right? We just clicked 2 buttons, dude. We just copy the clipboard. Let's paste it in. Go back here. And then you just do this. You just do this 10 times, right? An eye for an eye. What does the eye for the eye want? Are you stuck at intermediate Python, struggling to grasp advanced concepts? Look at this code snippet, a complex problem solved efficiently using advanced Python techniques. So it's like just showing them, boom, I just solved this real quick, right? If you're looking to become an expert, imagine writing clean, efficient, scalable code that impresses your colleagues and superiors. Is that literally it, right? Is this like why they want it? Impresses their colleagues and superiors?
It's the status is, they're primarily driven by security more than anything else.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Like
but status is like a close second, and maybe number one for a lot of them.
Yeah. This secret hidden thing that they want, right? Just to be able to show their friend up or whatever. Bam. So like you now are going to be coming at this with 10 different ads. There you go, bro. Just give me a video testimonial if it works really good.
Okay, deal.
And that's it. That's fucking what we're doing here. This is going to be available to all of you tomorrow. We're going to give everyone here 50 credits. We just spent 2 credits. Spent 2 of them. I want to do this obsession one. So this obsession one came from, who did it come from? It came from, is it the Green Supplement guys? They have, I think, the #1 video in history under 8 minutes long. And it's whatever they did. It's got like 170 million views. but this is a very hard formula. So sometimes this isn't like, it's like an identity question. Are you a software engineer really an expert? It's like, are you really an expert at Python programming? Even beginners can write complex Python code. So are you really an expert? Honestly, it's like challenging them. Are you actually good? Even a fucking newbie could do this, but so are you actually any good? But seriously, the easy part is learning the basics. What's overlooked is mastering the advanced Python concepts. Let's take a second to let's take a look at 5 advanced Python concepts you should be practicing every single day. Hi, I'm this guy, world class. I'm obsessed with writing efficient code. Today, I'm going to show you 5 advanced concepts you can master in less than a month to help you become a pro. Okay. So actually got specific here. First is understanding and implementing Python's advanced data structures like sets, heaps, and linked lists. Next is mastering Python's powerful libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Maxlib. Third is getting comfort in the object-oriented programming features. Fourth is learning to write Pythonic code using Python Advanced Proposals, PEPs. Fifth is understanding.
I'm very impressed how it's correctly using a lot of very specific jargon. Like the Python enhancement proposals, that's a specific thing in this industry.
Oh my God. Did you get all that? Did you get all that? Yeah. You catch that, Mr. Expert Python Programmer? I got good news for you. You can master all these with powerful Python. Like less than a cup a day. It's not expensive. Like, yeah.
So you also built in a sense of humor in your software.
Might be missing a close there, but. And you need to make sure all claims are responsible. Does not infringe on any person's rights. It's my legal team. Maybe put this there. Anyway, so that's you're literally challenging these people and then showing them all these things that they actually don't understand. So you're also making them feel not superior again, right? It's like, anyway, like, but would you say these are different?
Yeah, I mean, I think this is really, really productive and useful. There are 4 different approaches. Some of, especially some of them I think have a lot more potential than others. And that's why it's good to test different approaches, different formulas. And I think some of these are really, really interesting and have a lot of potential.
Ridiculous. You totally nailed it. I mean, the way I see it is I have minorly different angles. Some of them are really different, but they're all different. And it's 10 different ways, dude. You test 10 different ways. One is going to suck. About 6 of them are all going to be relatively the same CPA. And then 3 of them are going to be great. And one of them is going to stand out better than all of them. That's exactly what's going to happen. And you go down that specific road and now you're making it even better. Then you take your best scripts and then you put it into my script enhancing formula, right? So literally AI is going to come here and tell you how to make it better and all that stuff. And it'll rewrite you a new version based on the winner. So there you go.
I love this. Thank you.